Hey guys, Steve Welch here with Beaman Toyota in Nashville. Going to show you how to put the front license plate on a Corolla Cross. Pretty easy actually, but if you take a look at it, you're going to see a couple things here. So it's going to come with this here. It doesn't come with the plate, of course, but it does come just like this. You'll see your tag here. It's pretty easy to tell what it is. You'll notice these screw holes here are not threaded. What you're going to see is you got the spot for the tag to hook up here, and you got a spot on the back to actually hook under the side here. So it's going to come in here. So look for these little indentations. You'll see those on the front of your car, the little indentations on either side, and your screws that come with it look like this, which you're going to be able to push them through when you come in here. So now a lot of times what I like to do is to actually set it into a nut driver, come in here and just kind of lean into it. Once you lean into it, you're going to see it makes it a little bit better of a hole here. Lean into this one. Make a little bit better of a hole there. Once you do that, you're going to be able to catch a little bit easier when you put it on. Then you take whichever plate you're going to put on the inside and drop it into those little catches that are on the bottom. I'm doing this one-handed, by the way. So once you drop it into those little catches, kind of shake it out until you find where your screw holes will line up. Once you do that, you're going to put those screw holes, or those screws, into those holes very easily. And then you're going to put it up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause it here just so you guys can see what I'm doing. But you're going to actually I'll do this first here. So you'll come underneath here and you're going to catch it. So it's going to actually catch under the bottom. So these little hooks that are right there are going to catch under the bottom, and you'll see once it catches, it's actually going to line up to that hole here. So I don't think I need to pause it. I should be able to start turning it here. So once you start to turn it, you're going to start to grab in here, left-handed and everything else. So, but once it starts to grab, you'll be able to turn it. I'm going to pause it here and I'll start it here in a second. All right, so I've got everything hooked up here. You see I got my screws, they're all the way in, everything flush mount. All I did when I paused it here was just drive these in, because it's pretty hard to kind of do it one-handed. Those little hooks are underneath, so you can see if I pull on the bottom, I'm pulling that bumper out a little bit, but that is how you set your license plate on your Corolla Cross. So appreciate you guys. Steve Welch, Beaman Toyota, downtown Nashville. Well, not downtown anymore. Beaman Toyota, 343 Harding Place in Nashville. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.